Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do another multi-bit toolkit here. And today I have for you an interesting one. This is the Kobalt 27-piece kit. Yeah, there's so many bits in this kit that it had to come in a case. So it comes in a case like this. It's got a little belt clip on it. I'm going to be very honest with you. I don't like the case, but I like the tool. So let's talk about the tool. First and foremost, you have a ratcheting screwdriver. So it does ratchet. It's a nice ratcheting screwdriver. It's got one of those plastic with rubber embossed handles. It feels okay. This is not premium. Remember, Kobalt is, Lowe's, house brand. So we're not talking about high-end stuff here. This doesn't have the build quality of the Klein, but it's not junk. This is a well-made tool and it will work. And the collection of bits comes with this really makes this a very, very good choice for a lot of people. So let me show you what you get in this case. First and foremost, they include this. This is a little extension for one, but it's bendable. So you want to get around a corner, you can get around a corner and tighten a screw. Really nice that they included this. At this price point, ladies and gentlemen, they did not have to include this. This is $22, $21.98 at Lowe's right now. If you bought this kit as a 26-piece instead of a 27-piece and they did not include this, I'd still say it was probably a good priced, good kit because of how many bits they had. Including this to me is a nice extra, and I really like that they did it. Now let's talk about the bits. The first thing is they include the bits in little plastic holders. There's 4 of these that have 6 each. And the first one has 3 slotted and 3 Phillips head. The slotted are 3/16, 5/32, and 1/4 inch. And then you have Phillips heads 1, 2, and 3. That covers 98% of all of the screws we use here in the United States. So you're covered here. Remember, the Phillips head, it's not a screw that I really like because we strip them out a lot. But most times we strip them out because we're using the wrong bit for the screw. You got 1, 2, and 3 here, so you should be able to get the right bit for the screw, and it should work for you. The next set here, and this is the one that helped me a couple days ago when I put a desk chair that I got. This one has 3 square drives, square 1, 2, and 3, and then what they call H4, 5, and 6, which are hex drives. And I'm looking at this saying that the H5 is a 1/4 inch hex, and it looks like they go in 16th increments left and right of it. So I'm going to say this is probably 3/16, 1/4 inch, and 5/16. That's my guess. They don't, I don't know what 4, 5, and 6 is, but that's what they look like, okay? The next one, and this one really blows my mind. They have you covered left, right, up, and down. If you're shopping at IKEA and you're doing something that has Torx bits, these star bits, a lot of people call them, you get 6 of them here. T6, T8, T10, T15, T20, and T25. They got you covered for Torx. If you're doing something with Torx, you're covered. And then finally, if you have to do some, say you got a couple nuts or bolts in this thing you got at IKEA that you got to put together. You got a 3/8, 11/32, 5/16, 9/32, 1/4 inch, and 3/16. So you have a nice selection of nut drivers here as well. 24 bits and the extension with an adequate tool. This tool is, like I said, it's not Klein premium, but it's not junk. It will last you a long time and it will do the job. So to me, this is a really good kit. Minus this is just a piece of cardboard wrapped in vinyl. And the problem with it is these little pouches that they put these things in, they don't hold tight enough. So you put them in here. And then if you were to attach this on your belt, they can very easily just fall right out. I don't trust it. I don't like the case. The case is junk. The rest of the kit is very good. And because these are in plastic things, just take the 4 plastic things, put them in your kitchen drawer, your junk drawer. We all have one. And then put these 2 next to it. That's fine. You'll use it every time you need it. You order something at Walmart, you order something at IKEA, you get something at Amazon, you got to put it together. This is the perfect tool for that. This is the perfect homeowner's assembly tool. That's what I'm going to call this thing. I think it's the best one to get out of all of them I'm looking at. If what you just need is something to put things together that you buy at all of the department stores. So that's the Kobalt, man. That's the 27-piece Kobalt kit. Tomorrow, guys, we're going to do a really interesting one. We're going to do this Vessel 220W. I love this tool the most for certain things, and I hate it the most for certain things. So it's going to make for an interesting video because I'm going to tell you what I like and what I don't. That's tomorrow's video. We'll see you then.